Hey guys, my name is Zelle and I welcome you to my travel diary, whether you are new here or returning. This is our second full day in Bohol and we plan to visit Balicasag Island. As I mentioned in the previous video, we booked a tour from an agency to show us around for 3 days. They picked us up at our accommodation and drove us to the meeting spot.
So we're going to ride the boat to Balicasag Island. It's closer than Anilacan. Our boat is the yellow one, so we need to go there.
We need to walk there, okay.
Yeah, it's still low tide.
Yeah.
We will do dolphin watching first. Yeah, it's not sure that we can see dolphins, but hopefully. If you can see a lot of boats there on that side, means that there's dolphins there.
Okay.
Oh, so this island is more developed than Anilacan.
So these are accommodations.
Yeah, I think so. Good morning po.
Morning.
Hello, ma'am. Hola. How are you?
Oh, there's more people here.
Yeah.
This island is bigger.
Good. We're gonna do snorkeling in Balicasag. They say there's more fish than Pamilacan Island. めっちゃいい天気。
Paano lalabas kuya? Lilipad!
No way to go.
Yeah, we're going to fly. We got sky flakes. We're gonna do fish feeding.
いいよ。
This boat is for 7 people.
Really?
Yeah, this is big. His name is Sandy.
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 Sounds like girl's name. I'm tall.
Yes, it's your problem.
あ、いた。いた。This is our lunch. The coconut juice is so big.
Yes.
My first time to see. When I had coconut juice in Thailand, it's like half size. Coconut juice.
So heavy. We have pork sinigang. Pork sinigang and grilled liempo.
They are doing karaoke. Yeah, めっちゃ綺麗。
Probably we'll just gonna stay along Henan Beach or Alona Beach. 'Cause we're not so tired, but it's so dark now. Is it going to rain? Let me think of it.
We are back to Panglao.
We're going to a beach resort.
We are at Dumaluan Beach. I already swam here, but the water is not so clear compared to the beach in Balicasag and Pamilacan. But this is a good place for chilling. A lot of people like chilling on the beach or on the bench. I like the vibe here. Hello. Hello. This beach is like around 2 kilometers. Yeah, I like this beach. But if you want to see like a lot of fish or turtles, this is not your place. Relaxing time. Oh, it's so good. I can forget everything I don't like. I don't wanna go back to Japan.
So definitely here you can fly a drone. It's not as strict as in Japan. Yeah, he's flying his drone. Guys, low tide na! There's air bubbles.
We are leaving. So tired.
I'm so sleepy.
So sleepy?
I was sleeping there actually.
I swam a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good.